so one of Arias's character witnesses, so to speak, is to the point where she may need to take the Fifth Amendment. All right, that's a problem. Okay, what about the mother? Out to you, Mike Walker, senior editor, National Enquirer. Your magazine has had some dealings with Jodi Arias' mother. Why isn't she lining up to take the witness stand?
It's really hard to say because she was cooperative with us when she gave us copies of the letters that were supposedly or allegedly handwritten by Travis Alexander. And these letters were supposed to show that he was brutal to Jodi and that also he was sexually deviant, to use her word. And those letters did not work. I think you know this. They were not allowed by the judge. We don't know exactly why. They were shown to a handwriting expert. After that, the judge said, we're not allowing those letters. But her mother at that point was apparently trying to cooperate, trying to help. She thought these letters would help defend her daughter, as indeed they would, if they really did prove that he was abusive and sexually deviant.
Mike Walker joining us, senior editor, National Enquirer. Mike, I've noticed, because I am an avid reader, I never saw those letters published in the Enquirer.
No, you never did, because if you notice the way the story is written, and you and I discussed this story once before, a couple of months ago, I think, we very carefully don't, assign any heft or weight to these letters. We don't know. One of the problems with these letters, Nancy, is that Jodi claims that because we said, well, where are the originals? They're handwritten. Oh, well, those don't exist anymore. Those got destroyed. So now all we have are electronic copies. So we got copies of, of those copies. And
when you say electronic copies, are you saying, were they emails or were they handwritten letters?
No, they were not. They were not what we were given copies of. No. And when we asked for that, they said, well, there were handwritten copies, but, oh, gee, they got destroyed.
So all they gave you was a stack of emails?
Basically. Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, isn't it true? Unleash your lawyers. Don't go anywhere, Mike Walker. Susan Moss, Terrence Linneman, Mickey Sherman. Mickey Sherman, you and Terrence, defense attorneys. Also with me, Susan Moss, family law attorney. Susan Moss. Now, if the mother got up there and took the stand, can't you just see Martinez just licking his chops with his handful of letters that arguably could have been faked by Jodi Arias? Letters where they claim, Jodi Arias claims that Alexander admitted to all this stuff, to brutality, and they were trying to peddle it to the National Enquirer through the mother. Think that might be a little line of cross-examination by Martinez?
Well, how about the fact that they claim time and time again that this woman abused Jodi Arias by hitting her with wooden spoons and leaving welts? I bet she's going to say, I didn't do that either. But is it really a surprise that for her no one will rise? I mean, come on, Captain Obvious. Everyone has seen now what she has done. They've seen the brutal pictures of Travis, and no one will stand up to help her.